Hey people, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well and in good health. Okay, in today's video, we're going to take a look at Solana price prediction and see what's going on with that. Before we do, let's take a look at what's going on in the global crypto markets right now. So let's have a bit of a refresh here. So we have seen a little bit of reversal here. So now we're currently at 2.48 trillion. The markets have gone up by 2.29% in the last 24 hours. So greed levels are 75. And you can see Bitcoin there at 64,937. It's gone up by 1.27% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum at 3,395. It's gone up by 0.92% in the last 24 hours. BNB at $560. Solana at $175, gone up by 1.48%. XRP at 0.6284. And then Dogecoin at 0.1654. Cardano's gone up by 2.11% in the last 24 hours. Currently priced at 0.6335. AVAX is still above that $50 mark, currently at $54.69. Shiba Inu slightly down in the hour, currently at 0.402771. It's gone up by 3.90% in the last 24 hours. And then we can see Litecoin's pushed back into the top 20 at number 20 at $86.53. It's gone up by 4.21%. Okay, so let's head over and see how Solana's been doing on the charts on TradingView. So let's take a look here. So if you look on the 1 day marker, we can see what did it top out on. So it's $179.04, which is about an hour ago. And then if we head over and zoom out a little bit to the monthly chart here on this super chart. So let's take you up here at the highest point there. So on Monday the 18th of March at 10:30 a.m. the price of Solana was at $209.73. You can see how incredible that is. Now if we take a look at all-time high, you can see here the candles here, you know, variety of stuff going on here on different levels and so on. And let's see on the 5-year marker, you can see here on the 5-year marker as well. Again, so you know, around about the 260 mark there. So that was back in November 2021, a few years ago. So let's take a look at today's video. So Solana is predicted to reach $230.25 by March 28, 2024, according to this CoinCodex article, which was just published recently. So let's take a look at what's going on here. Always remember that, you know, this is not financial advice. The video is for entertainment purposes. Always do your own due diligence when investing in volatile assets such as crypto. So, Solana's price is expected to rise by 30.71% predicted in the next 5 days or so, according to this price prediction. Solana's price today is trading around about $177 after gaining 3.98% in the last 24 hours. The coin outperformed the cryptocurrency markets as the total crypto market cap increased by 1.36% in the same time period at the time of writing, don't forget. So performed well against BTC today and recorded a 2.04% gain against the world's largest crypto. According to the price prediction in this article, Sol is expected to reach just over $230.25 by basically the next 5 days or so. That would represent a 30.71% price increase for Sols over the coming 5 days. Now, Solana has been displaying a positive trend recently as the coin gained 67.39% in the last 30 days or so. The medium-term trend for Solana has been bullish, with Sol increasing by 59.81% in the last 3 months. The long-term picture for Solana has been positive also, as Sol is currently displaying 712.96% 1-year price change. On this day last year, Sol was trading at $21.77, which is about the time I came in and purchased my Solana coins. Unfortunately, I didn't purchase enough, but I did purchase some, and it was around about the $22, $23 mark at that time. Solana reached its all-time high price in November the 6th, 2021, which I just showed you on the super charts, when the price of Sol was around $259.52. The current Sol cycle high is about $208.75, while the cycle low is at $8.12. Solana has been displaying high volatility recently. The 1 month volatility of the coin is at 20.14, Solana recorded 18 green days in the last 30 days. Nice. So technical analysis today, basically sentiment is that Solana market is currently bullish and the fear and greed index is reading greed. The most important support levels to watch are $167.29, $161.52 and $154.49, while 180.08, 187.11 and 192.88 on the top side are the key resistance levels to look out for. So the bullish sentiment 24 indicators are currently signaling a bullish prediction for Solana, while 4 indicators are showing a bearish forecast with 86% of indicators favoring a positive prediction. This results in an overall bullish sentiment for Solana itself. So yes, the crypto market is currently, the fear and greed index is just over 70, 73, which is pretty much greed, which signals that investors have a positive outlook on the market. Fear and greed index is a measure of sentiment among crypto investors, and greed readings suggest that investors are currently optimistic. Obviously, they're putting their money where their greed is, so to speak, and investing, but also can be an indication that the market is overvalued, which is an important point to understand in a volatile space. A fear reading, on the other hand, signals that investors are currently hesitant about the crypto market, which potentially represents a buying opportunity. Okay, so there's some of the information there. We'll skip over that. The bottom line about Solana prediction, after considering some of the above factors, this article concludes that the current forecast for Solana price prediction is bullish. And, I've heard some analysts talk about the $500 mark going forward in long term over the next, 12 months or so, going deeper into the bull market. Obviously, we're currently at stage 1, going into stage 2 after this halving. So that is an interesting market to look out for. Solana would have increased by 30.71% to hit their $230.25 target in the next 5 days. Moving it forward, be important to monitor the SOL market sentiment, the key support and resistance levels and other metrics. However, it's important to keep in mind that crypto markets are unpredictable. Like I said, volatile, always do your own due diligence. And even the largest crypto assets display a lot of price volatility. For long-term Solana price predictions, you can check out more on this website here. And obviously, disclaimer, always remember that, crypto spaces are volatile spaces. Always do your own due diligence when investing in such assets. Okay, people, there's a price prediction for you there on CoinCodex. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notifications bell. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think will be the price prediction for Solana? What's your price prediction for the Solana coin, the SOL? Do you reckon it will reach that $230 mark in the next 5 days, and in the long term maybe 500 mark? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you are looking at trading or investing in cryptocurrency, check out our link in the description where we trade on Kraken Exchange. If you check out the link on Kraken, once you trade your first $100, you'll get $10 free Bitcoin. Okay, catch you in the next one. Let's make some guala.